Hello together! Today's topic is how we rehome our coder when it's lost its 0 point. Alright, in this case I purposefully put the coder not to its original 0 point, which is between the powder and the billing axis. So right now, if I use our regular buttons, the coder is completely wrong and all the homing points are misaligned. To get rid of this, we have to manually put the coder back here. You can either use the little wheel gauge, or you can also put in some values to move the coder forward. Well, close enough. Now the coder is between the axes again. When you have reached the desired position, you go to Settings, Coder, Home Direct, and now the coder is back to its original position.